Number 1, which fraction is equivalent to 7/10? So this is cut up into 10, and you have 7 rows. So then if you cut this one up into 100, you'd have 70, or 7/10, you need to get to 100, so you need to multiply by 10. If you do it to the bottom, you do it to the top, because you're multiplying by a fraction that's equal to 1 whole. 7 times 10 is going to be 70 hundredths, C. Rama uses models to find the sum of 4/10 plus 19 hundredths. So this is going to be your 19 hundredths here, and this is going to be your 4/10. But what she did is that she converted this already into 40 hundredths. So she did times 10 times 10, and she got 40 hundredths plus 19 hundredths. So she added the top and got 59 hundredths, or B. Look at the models. What denominator makes the equation true? Okay, so I know that 7 plus 13 will not give me 83. I can't have a 3 or 63 on the bottom because that's not what we're working with. We're working with tens and hundreds. If I put 100 on the bottom, that means I can just add straight across. But if I do 7 plus 13, that will give me 20, not 83. So I can't use that. So let's try this 10 right here. So if I do 7/10 multiplied by a fraction that's equal to 1 whole, then I get 70 hundredths, and 70 plus 13 will give me 83. Which could be the two fractions that Noah added? Select 2. So this is out of 100 here, and it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 58. So whatever answer I get from these, I need to get 58. So if I change all these to have the same denominator, it'll make it easier to check my work. And when I do add everything together, A and B are the only ones that give me 58 hundredths when I add them. Sorry. This one will be 130, and this one will be 103. So nope, nope, nope. Come up here. Look at the models. So this one is showing me 63 hundredths, so let's label that. And this one is showing me 2/10 or 20 hundredths. So let's complete this. This is going to stay 63 hundredths. This is going to become 20 hundredths. So 63 plus 20 is going to be 83 hundredths. Shade the model to show 5/10 and a fraction equivalent to 5/10 with a denominator of 100. This is already cut into 10, so shade 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to color those same 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when I color in those same 5 rows, I wind up getting 50 because these are cut into 100. So I get 50 over 100, or I could have done 5 times 10 is 50, 10 times 10 is 100, and gotten 50 hundredths. I explained how you know the fractions are equal. I know the fractions are equal because there's the exact amount shaded in on each chart.